the Performance Pulse Expo front door. So the front door is literally right there. So literally as soon as anyone comes in, they're seeing the car. It's cleaned up really nice. Obviously got a heap of stuff I'm going to give away throughout the day. So it should shape up to be pretty good. We've got a lot to go through and a lot to have a look for. So let's go have a look. Let's go have a look. Let's go have a look.
Just hand them out to people.
I did it with Tiger before. I was like, no, let's shut down. That's how it used to be. Well, I'm getting new ones made. The mission was to get them made for here, but he had to run an event, so he couldn't get them done. I will. Do you follow it on Instagram? Yeah. Oh really? Oh, hang on, I got something for you.
Legend, man.
It's a 300 flag. So.
I've been looking for this. I don't know what that was.
It's
the first person that's followed me and has a 300, so he's win. So.
Picked it up.
Come to the photo.
Yep, no
That's
worries.
yours.
Want me to stand near the car?
Stand in front of it, man. Yeah. Anyone that wants to be in it, get them all in it.
You want me to take it? Can you get in it?
Yeah, if you want. Anyone else want to be in it?
No.
No? That'll do.
I've got no
Awesome.
reason.
photos do you reckon you've taken of it today?
I have no idea.
You have no idea? Have you got a pair of 270 glasses? Have you got a pair of 270 glasses? You don't? You want some?
Take them.
I don't know if you like the colour, but it's the colour that they picked.
Yeah.
It's the purples. So you keep the box and everything, but saw you had no glasses, so I thought, you've taken enough photos of the car today, I should probably do something for you.
That's sick.
There you go. Now you're fitting in. Now you're fitting in.
They look good.
Now you're fitting in. There's your box, keep the sticker inside, they're all yours.
Cool.
I've seen you enough around the car today, so
Oh, it's amazing.
I thought we'd do something for you, so.
And the interior has not been touched. So not many people do dashes, and when you do see people do dashes, you can see the little crinks and crinkles. So it is good to see Carmen's really put their hours in. As he said, 300 hours of work in the interior of this vehicle, which is absolutely beautiful.